Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're not here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash the like button if you found any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on that bell notification so you don't miss any. And let's just keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible as always. So as you can see right here, we have 1 inch token with the Tether US dollar, basically the 1 inch exchange. I don't know how you're telling that, but yeah. Overall, guys, 1 inch is sitting at a price of around $3.49, or approximately $3.50. So we're close to hitting that $4 mark. But first, we're down today nearly 3%, but it is what it is, like 10 cents. That's 3% for a 1 inch token. But this is how the price moves. So it was being respected in the past 2 days, including yesterday and today. No, actually, for the past 3 days, with this price right here that I said. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with how this is moving. But in this case, I have two predictions, so this could either range or hit these two predictions right here. I mean, the market can do a lot of things. You can just go straight to the downside or straight to the upside. We never know, but in this case, this is what I think that will be happening. We're gonna be slowly pushing to the downside somewhere right here into the buy zone, and then start push to the upside. Or we can just come down here, test these levels right there, test these levels, and then push to the upside, because as you can see, we broke through a lot of levels right here, but we never break through that. And when we broke through that, we're going to be retesting this and then push to the upside. This is the small steps, my prediction. And what am I looking at the moment in the chart? Every time we're lower right here, this is where a portion of my money, of the capital that I'm willing to put in, will go. But yeah, overall, guys, this is it. If you want to support the channel, I would highly appreciate it if you just like the video or smash the like button. It will help me a lot with the YouTube algorithm, and also with my motivation to doing a lot of videos like this every single day, from 10 to 20 videos per day. So help me a lot and just smash the like button. Or if you want to watch all of my videos, just subscribe, because I'm giving a lot of value into my predictions and all the good stuff. So yeah, also, if you want to earn some free money, just go check the links into my description. And yeah, peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day, guys.